If you should have any questions, we want you to know that we have an app. Please download our app before you arrive at any customer's location. This is extremely important for warranty. Once you've installed it and it's proper, you're going to need to take a picture of the system and upload that picture into registering the system. It is important that you register the system properly. Just follow the prompts in the registration and everything will be good to go. Assuming you've done that and everything's good to go, remember, if you don't register it, it's actually not under warranty. So we want to make sure you do that for you and your customers' benefit. A couple of things you need to know is that our manifolds are lifetime warranty and completely transferable. All of our cartridges only have a 1-year manufacturer defect, and in the first year, we give you a performance warranty as well. If for any reason the cartridge should fail on its performance, we'll be happy to replace that free of charge. It does not include labor, but the cartridge and shipping is free. If we replace it, we may ask for the old cartridge back. If we do, we cover shipping. Please note that when we send you a new cartridge, that the return slip is in that package as well. And we want you to put the old one in the new box, put the tape and tag it and give it to a UPS driver, and we'll be happy to take that back so that we can run our QC and figure out what may or may not have happened on that cartridge. Anyway, either way, we're happy you installed it. I know your customers will be happy, and we want you to know that we certainly appreciate all of your business and wish you lots of luck. Remember, Honest Water Filter is here to help you grow your business, and as a technician, help you grow as a technician. Please feel free to use the SOS at any time on the application, and we'll certainly be glad to get back to you and help you with any situation. Our app is there for your use and to make your life easy. Once again, a message from all of us here at Honest Water. We certainly appreciate your business, and we look forward to talking to you soon in the future. Have a great day.